Stop frying eggs on the stovetop. How to make perfect eggs in an air fryer. Everyone should know. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Few people know that an air fryer can cook eggs better than a gas stove. If you've ever had tough fried eggs, overcooked yolks, or hard-to-peel boiled eggs, this video is for you. With just an air fryer, your mornings will be easier. No oil splattering, no need to worry about the temperature, and perfectly cooked eggs every time. From frying and boiling to poaching or scrambled eggs, everything is done in just a few minutes. Watch the whole video to learn 4 simple yet highly effective methods. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Before cooking, I gently pricked the wide end of the egg with a needle. Just a small hole for air to escape, preventing the egg from exploding when exposed to the high heat in the air fryer. Place the egg in the air fryer. No water needed. I cooked the first egg for 5 minutes at 356 degrees Fahrenheit. At that point, the egg was ready. Open the air fryer and remove the egg, immediately placing it in a bowl of cold water that I had prepared beforehand. This helps the egg stop cooking and makes peeling easier. The shell peels off very easily. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When you cut the egg open, the egg white is evenly cooked, smooth and firm, while the yolk is soft, creamy, and slightly runny. Just looking at it makes you want to eat it right away. This type of egg tastes great with toast or just sprinkled with salt and pepper. Quick and convenient for breakfast, yet still nutritious. For the second egg, I set the timer for 7 minutes and the temperature. This is the doneness level my family likes best and usually makes at home. Take the eggs out, soak them in cold water for 1 to 2 minutes, then peel them. Don't throw the shells away. Crushed eggshells can be used as calcium-rich fertilizer for plants. Crushing eggshells to fertilize plants. Perfectly cooked eggs, not too runny, not too dry. The yolk is just cooked through. Slightly firm but still soft, very rich and delicious. This type of egg is perfect for breakfast or everyday meals, eaten alone or with bread. If you want the yolk to be fully cooked, simply increase the cooking time by 2 minutes at the same temperature. After 9 minutes, peel the egg and you'll see the result. The egg is fully cooked, bright, beautiful, perfect for salads or a quick snack. The egg is still smooth and creamy, not grainy like when boiled on the stovetop. The easier part is that no water is needed. Just set the timer and the egg is ready almost effortlessly. This is the simplest way to prepare a meal or make breakfast more creative. What level of doneness do you prefer for your eggs? Leave a comment. The next method uses foil molds. Preparing the foil molds. Glue a thin layer of oil or butter to the molds to prevent the eggs from sticking. Crack the eggs into a small bowl. Season with salt and pepper and MSG. If desired, lightly beat the eggs until the yolks and whites are well combined. Add toppings as desired. Pour the eggs into the foil mold, filling only about 3/4 full to prevent overflow. Place the foil-lined mold in the oven basket. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes depending on your preference. 8 minutes. Yolk still soft, 10 to 12 minutes. Yolk cooked through, egg firm. Avoid opening the pan too many times to ensure even cooking and prevent the surface from becoming pitted. Remove the eggs. Let the eggs cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Eat directly or serve with bread, salad, rice, etc. The baked eggs are fragrant, soft, smooth, and visually appealing. This is a convenient, beautiful, and delicious way to prepare eggs, especially suitable for busy people or those who want to prep meals. Compared to traditional boiled or fried eggs, this method uses less oil, has less odor, is easy to be creative with toppings, and allows you to bake a large quantity at once. With this method, I use a heat-resistant plate. Add a little oil to the bottom of the bowl. Crack an egg into it. Place in the air fryer at 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. The time and temperature seem correct, but wait until 4 minutes, and I'll point out the problem. Now, take the egg out. You'll see the egg white is cooked, but the texture isn't as soft as desired. The reason is that the heat from above made the top of the egg slightly chewy. To get the perfect fried egg, crack the egg into the bowl as usual. But this time, cover the bowl tightly with aluminum foil, securing it around the rim to prevent it from puffing up in the air fryer. Cook the eggs at the same temperature for another 4 minutes. The foil covering method helps the eggs cook evenly without being directly affected by the heat. When you take the eggs out, you'll see they're perfectly cooked. The egg whites are firm and the yolks are soft but not chewy. The difference between using foil and not is clear. One is perfect and soft, while the other is overcooked and dry. Remember to cover the eggs with foil before frying them in the air fryer. Next, I'll make scrambled eggs. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Eggs are rich in nutrients, protein, vitamins, and minerals, good for both children and adults. Add a little milk to make the eggs smooth and creamy. Unlike fried or boiled eggs, scrambled eggs require careful stirring. Place another bowl in the air fryer. Add a little butter. Preheat to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit until the butter is completely melted. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Pour in the eggs and cook for 5 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the bowl and gently stir the eggs, avoiding a hard layer at the bottom and ensuring even cooking. When finished, the scrambled eggs are fluffy, soft, smooth, and creamy. This is my favorite egg dish. At first glance, everyone is captivated. Even the skeptical have to admit it's surprisingly delicious. This method proves that with a little patience, an air fryer can make perfect scrambled eggs. Finally, make poached eggs. Add a little oil to the bottom of the bowl, similar to the previous method. Pour some boiling water into the bowl to create gentle steam, helping the eggs cook slowly and remain soft. Crack the eggs into the bowl gently so the yolks don't break. Place the bowl in the air fryer and cook at approximately 374 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. When the eggs are cooked, take them out and you'll have perfectly soft and smooth poached eggs, with the whites perfectly coating the yolks, looking clean and beautiful. The yolks are just cooked through, very appealing. This method is simple, requires no monitoring of water or stirring, but the results are amazing. And those are 4 tips for cooking perfect eggs using an air fryer. Today, these tips will help you save time and get surprising results without a stove. Hopefully, this video will make your mornings easier and more enjoyable. If you find it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tip. Thank you for watching and wishing you good health.